My name's Katy and this is Kit. And Kit is 3.5 months old and we live in Leeds at the moment. My first dose I had at the end of my second trimester, and my second dose I had in my third trimester. When Kit was born, it was really reassuring to know that I had that vaccine during pregnancy and that he would be protected to some extent from COVID if we were going to get it. And we did find that when we did get COVID over Christmas, Kit didn't have any symptoms and neither did we. I think that was due to having the vaccine whilst I was pregnant. For any other pregnant women, I would 100% recommend getting the vaccine. It gave us real peace of mind, both in terms of my health and Kit's health. He's been a really healthy baby. We've been really lucky in our breastfeeding journey that it's gone really well, and it's given us real peace of mind.